Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, and click on the top right of the video to enter Discord. So yesterday I have been a little bit positive about BONK, and why not? Because BONK is positive at the moment, and I'm going to tell you what's going on. So do you remember 3 days ago when I said follow the channel? I made one video saying follow the channel, and I've given you a channel here that has been created for quite some time now. And the good thing about the channel after the following day was that I showed you a bullish divergence. Actually, yesterday's video was more like a pump coming or not. And I talked about all the positives that are there for BONK. You see, I think we might see an 80% pump coming in, right? And follow this channel because I don't like to talk bullshit or anything in the channel. What I say is what I see on the charts. And if it's good, it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. When it was bad, it played out. The technical targets I gave you played out. When it wasn't even launched on Binance, I gave you this target up here. This was met. Thing is that right now, this thing is blood, right? And I have seen some comments of you people. I have been reading comments, and those comments show that people are frustrated of what BONK has been doing. The fact that it has been going down up all the way to 112,000 has pissed off a lot of people. Now, when you see people getting pissed off and they're not excited anymore, then expect something good about to happen, right? This is the basic market psychology. Thing is, all I can say, and I want to keep it very short, very sweet, and straight to the point. No long discussion. You have a channel. It's a clear one. You have the break of the channel, and I don't really think if this is a trap anymore, because this is your resistance. You went down. That's your resistance again, you push down. This is another third resistance, you push down. It takes 3 touches to make a trend line, so the upper resistance is a perfect trend line, right? You had your support here, you pushed up, you had another support there, you pushed up, one support here, up, and another, probably one more support right there, okay? Thing is, you pushed up from here, you came down again, and you also made a double bottom. One bottom here, second bottom, and this is a pattern that means reversal to the upside, okay? Double bottoms are actually a reversal chart pattern. The thing is that you've broken above the channel. Now, yes, you're coming down, but you're coming down for the retest all the way probably down to 131,000 again. So we need to take this retest, maybe even take that stop loss, and then finally push up. And the next technical target I may see is a move back up to the channel, which is 270,000. So if you do go for the retest, that's going to be even 106% pump. If you don't go for the retest and start to pump from here, that's almost like an 80% pump, right? That's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. I love you.